guys, I'm making a vlog here from the Dubai Hills. Come on, let's go. We are getting late. Can you stop holding it? Stop holding it.
Mom, I got hurt.
You got hurt? How? Okay, I'm gonna put bandage. Come on. Just see the happiness of these boys. They are so happy. ऐसा लगता है जैसे कभी बाहर नहीं निकलते घर के, रोज बाहर निकलते हैं, पर सारे ही बच्चे शायद ऐसे ही बिहेव करते हैं. Just figured out that there are so many brands that I didn't know, and this exists in this mall. और मतलब बहुत ऐसे ब्रांड्स हैं जो मुझे कभी मालूम ही नहीं थे कि they even दुबई में हैं. But now I know that this is the right place if you guys are looking for such picky brands and you cannot find any other places. So just check on Google before coming in. ऐसा ना हो मुझ पे blame आ जाए कि आपके कहने पे we came and then we couldn't find that particular brand. और सबसे मजे की बात यहाँ पे, you will find a lot of coffee shops, you will find a lot of restaurants, you will find food courts. Like you have so many options. मतलब इंसान के पास इतने ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे कि यहाँ पे आके ऑप्शंस भी ना आपको लगता है कि क्या करें हम, कौन चूज़ करे, क्या चूज़ करे. एंड यू कैन सी दैट दे हैव H&M here, and then they have American Eagle also. And then I just saw MAC, and I just wish my husband should be here, but unfortunately I do not have his card. तो ये है फुल इनकी पार्टी स्टार्ट. क्या चीज़? Yes, this is a surprise. Ravish. Hi. What is that? What is this? Puppy. Oh, Hayden is saying that's puppy. And look at them, what they are doing. So this huge. And then the other one to go. Oh, what are you doing, boy? Oh my god. This is not the place to play. Come on, let's go to other area. Let's explore something else, time. Just figured out that there are so many options for kids. मतलब बहुत सारे इन्होंने, like they have a play areas for kids, and it's all up to you that whether you want this one or this. Like you have so many choices. और ये वाला हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा हुआ है. They have given a whole Halloween look और काफ़ी बड़ा है. And I think this is pretty much better for these boys because ये काफ़ी tough time देते हैं नैनीज़ को भी. हमें देते हैं तो उनका क्या हाल होता करते होंगे. And so let's see. मज़े की बात यहाँ की और है कि they have given spots, picture spots or photo spots के जगह पे they have placed something like that, similar like this for sitting, and you can click pictures. लाइव अपडेट ये है कि मैं इन तीनों लड़कों के पीछे भाग रही हूँ और they have made me so crazy. Look where they have stopped. See, look at them. See? Oh my god, wow, look at this. Spider-Man. Don't you want to go and play in the play zone? Oh my god. Na karo aisa. Okay, we will buy twice, but first, why are we here? We are going to play something, right? Come on, let's play something and then we will buy gifts. Like we will buy the toys and then we will have some food. Come on later. Muhammad Isa, come back. See, Hayden is a good boy. He listens. See, Hayden is a very good boy. Oh my god. एक तो मान गया, बाकी दो रह गए. चलो जल्दी से. अच्छा Muhammad Isa, if you love mommy, you will come later. I didn't know कि Dubai Hills में they have a Roxy Cinema, and we also have Roxy Cinema in Dubai Marina JBR. And you can see there are so many other options for food, and I think mostly the options are similar to Dubai Marina JBR. Like Chipotle, they have Zuzu. This option, this is like a Lego like bricks. This is one of the option for kids. Then they have this La La Land, and the one where we have taken, it's like a Candlelicious Land. this is also one of an option you have. Like there's so many options for kids. So because this is the first time I have been to Dubai Hills, or I'm quite impressed because I wasn't expecting. बहुत सारे malls explore करने दुबई के, and they are pretty similar, but this is quite unique and different. Let's go. She wants to take off her shoes. Okay. She's very excited to go inside this whole thing. Okay. This is, and they all have to wear this wristband. Oh wow! I think Isa, this is for what? Here. Come on. Maha, your turn. Your turn. Hello. Then just look after everyone. Come on, enjoy. Maya is also coming, right? Guess what? I don't know where I am right now, and I'm just looking for the place कि कहाँ पे बच्चों को ड्रॉप किया था, और अब मुझे वहीं जाना है. और ये इतना लंबा है, मतलब लंबा कह रही हूँ, इतना बड़ा मॉल है. So this is where the kids are right now, and let's see. मुझे अंदर जाने देते ही नहीं देते, but वरना मैं आपको अंदर का भी लुक दिखा दूंगी. And Candelicious, they have a branch in Dubai Mall as well. अच्छा, हर बच्चों की आवाज़ ना अपने बच्चों की आवाज़ से मिलती जुलती लगती है, और डर लगता है कि अच्छा वो तो नहीं रो रहे, वो तो नहीं चिल्ला रहे. I don't know if other moms also have the same thing, but this happens with me. Check, they have given a whole look of Halloween because it's too near, and finally I'm in. और ये काफ़ी अच्छा है, मतलब as you know, for so many people here, not even people like kids, or this is the whole design they have given, like a scary design, scary touch. और मुझे नज़र भी नहीं आ रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे हैं किधर हैं ये सारे. अच्छा, ये भी हो रहा है. Wow, Simon, I found you. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, hi, Vanessa. Okay, come this side, Maha. अच्छा, तो अब काफ़ी सारे बच्चे मुझे एक ही जगह पे मिल गए, सिर्फ मेरा बेटा मुझे नहीं मिल रहा. I don't know where Mohammed Isa is, but inshallah he'll be fine. I don't know. I think अच्छा, यहाँ पे कलरिंग स्पॉट्स भी हैं बच्चों के. What are you doing? Oh wow! See? What is this? What are you doing? Alu, what are you doing? What are these? These are fishes? Whoa! Wow! We are here back again. She loves doing coloring. मतलब they have so many options, and you can see the screens. यहाँ पे उन्होंने इस तरीके से थोड़ा फॉरेस्ट टच, थोड़ा सा ऐसा, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसे, वाइल्डली टच दिया हुआ है. ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग आई फिगर्ड आउट कि ना यहाँ पे इन्होंने देखा इस तरीके से दे आर टेकिंग स्लाइड्स. आई होप आई एम एबल टू कैप्चर दिस मोमेंट एज वेल. और ये बच्चे, छोटे बच्चे इसमें बैठ के स्लाइड ले रहे हैं. इट्स लाइक अ ट्यूब. ओह माय गॉड. Now I have my mini one, and she won't let me vlog anything. अच्छा, I just wanted to show you कि कितना बड़ा है, और if you're planning for your kids to bring Dubai Hills, then this is the best place. And you know, I think it's under age like 2, even not even 2, less like 1 to 5, 6 years old. You can see हर बच्चों की इन्होंने activities के spots रखे हुए हैं. This is for bigger ones. Look. बड़े बच्चों के लिए भी हैं. I mean, like, it's pretty nice. They have something for water play as well, and they have given these kind of, you know, costumes, or I would say raincoats. Acha, do you have something for her? Finally, she is at her favorite spot. She so wanted to explore this one. It's like a water play thing. Come, I'm gonna show you. See, Maha, this one. Wow! Maha, like this. Shoo! helping him out.